Oy mga amigo, mga amiga, mga kababayan ko dyan. Dito tayo sa Las Vegas, sa Southwest Las Vegas. Titingnan natin tong model sa likod na Palo Verde, made by Pulte Homes. Nandito tayo sa Quinn Canyon sa Southwest Las Vegas. Huwag kayong alis, tingnan natin sa loob. Ay, kumusta mga kabayan, mga amigo at kaibigan. Hello kabayan! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito o isa ka sa mga bumabalik na manonood, welcome back! Ako si Merloni, isang Pinoy Realtor dito sa Las Vegas. Dito sa channel natin, iniikutan natin ang mga bagong bahay sa mga bagong komunidad mula sa mga sikat na builders dito sa Vegas at Henderson. Kung balak mong lumipat, magbenta o mag-invest sa bahay dito sa Las Vegas, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko and I hope makakatulong ito sa iyo. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Tara, samahan mo ako sa tour natin ngayon. Mga kabayan, kumusta kayo dyan? Nandito tayo sa American West, dito sa Quinn Canyon Community dito sa Southwest Las Vegas. Nandito na tayo sa Southern Highlands, yung tinatawag natin dito na lugar. Nandito tayo sa Quinn Canyon Community, tapos may apat sila na model dito. Yung first model is yung Juniper model. Two-story siya, 2,325 square feet yung living space, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, tapos 2-car garage. It starts at $547,990. Yung pangalawang model naman yung Pinion, 3-story siya, 2,690 square feet yung living space, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bath, tapos 2-car garage. And it's priced from $592,000 and $990. Okay? Tapos yung pangatlong model naman is yung Palo Verde na model. 3-story rin siya, 3,074 square feet yung living space, 4 to 5 bedrooms, tapos 2.5 to 3.5 bath, tapos 2-car garage. And it's priced from $622,990. Tapos yung last, yung Mesquite. This is 2-story, 2,255 square feet yung living space, tapos 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bath, tapos 2-car garage. It's priced from $538,990. So ito yung apat na model dito sa Quinn Canyon ng American West dito sa Southwest Las Vegas or sa Southern Highlands. So let's watch the property tour. At saka kung may tanong kayo or may comment, just comment below, or much better kung if you could call or text me or email me, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible, mga kabayan. Sige, salamat. Tapos enjoy the tour. Mga kababayan, kumusta kayo mga amigo at saka mga amiga? Nandito tayo sa American West. Ito yung Palo Verde model dito sa Quinn Canyon Community dito sa Southwest. So ito, 3-story na bahay ito from American West. Tapos ito yung view dito, but they're making the homes sa likod ng mga models dito, just like 1 block away on the right side. Pero ito yung view sa lugar ng mga models. Then makikita mo na yung mga bundok dyan, and we're like around 5 or maybe 10, less than 10 minutes away sa I-15. Yun yung I-15 na main highway. Papuntang north is Utah, papuntang south is California. So yung Prim, California is like 30 minutes away from here. Pero yung LA is like around 4 to 5 hours, depende gaano kakabilis mag-drive. So yun mga kabayan, ito yung Palo Verde model. This is a 3-story. May 3,074 square feet living space, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bath, tapos 2-car garage. So yan, standard na yung pavers dyan. And then on the side, gated yung papunta sa backyard, and tapos yung kabila, may ano siya, brick wall. Okay, ito So yung style nito, may veranda siya sa second floor. And then, mid-level yung entry niya. So aakyat ka like around 8 to 10 steps. And then, depende sa gusto mo na elevation or design sa harap. So depende yan yung style, okay? So pasok tayo dito. Ang petsa pala ngayon mga kabayan is June 12, 2025 for reference sa pricing and terms. Kasi baka napanood nyo na ito like 5 years from now. So parang wala na ang mga bahay dito na available. So ito yung front door. So dalawang stairs when you get in, going first or ground floor, tapos yung isa second floor, tapos may isa pa dun papuntang third floor. So dito muna tayo sa ground floor. Okay, so yung flooring na dito is like tiles, tapos carpet yung stairs. So pababa tayo. Maganda yung flooring nila, parang rectangular na tiles. So ginawa nilang playroom / entertainment room dito. They have the 8 feet ceiling. I think ang yung second floor is 9 feet and third floor is 8 feet. Okay, for your reference. So ito yung parang space nila sa baba. Tapos may sliding door dyan. I think that's a 6x6 na sliding door. And then makikita mo yung backyard dito. Okay. Diyan. Tapos dito sa gilid, may room sa ground floor. So may bedroom. Ito yung bedroom sa first floor. I think that's a king size bed with a nice accent wall color. May bintana nakaharap sa backyard. It's pretty nice. Tapos may fixture niya siya dyan sa ceiling. Kung gusto niyo ng ceiling fan with lights or whatever you want to put. Kung lights lang or walang ceiling fan. So malaki yung space niya. May dalawa pang nightstand na malaki. And then dito yung hallway o daanan papunta sa full bath. Okay? So this one, dito yung toilet pero sarado yan kasi ginagamit ng staff dito. And on this side, yung double sink. Double sink yan. Under sink na model. Tapos may storage sa baba. And the wide wall-to-wall mirror or salamin. And sa harap dyan, nandito yung walk-in shower. It's a nice walk-in shower. Okay? And then, tabi dyan yung closet. Walk-in closet. Pretty good size walk-in closet. Okay? So, yan, yung first floor na bedroom or ground floor bedroom. So, akit tayo sa taas. But before tayo aakyat, nandito yung access sa garage. Nandyan. Tapos ito yung parang jacket or closet for something. Dyan. So, malaki rin. It's good storage. Okay, so akit tayo sa second floor. Diyan. Second floor tayo. Yung railings nila is upgraded. It's usually like solid wall sa kanilang mga yung paakyat sa rails sa hagdanan. Tapos ito yung second floor or yung mid floor. Open space, open concept, living room. Ang maganda dito is malaki yung countertop na island. As you can see. Tapos dalawa yung veranda nila, backyard and front yard. Okay? So dito tayo muna sa kitchen. So dyan yung fridge. Pasok mo dito. This is the pantry. Pretty good size pantry. Dyan. And then yung standard nila is granite slab, okay? Tapos quartz, I think this is quartz dito. This quartz, upgraded yan. Pero maganda to kasi mahaba yung island talaga nyo. Pwede na walang dining room. Ito na yung dining table mo. Tapos may backsplash pa siya all the way to the bottom of the cabinet. Tapos dito, yung cabinet niya is like 42 inches. Maganda kasi 9 feet to eh. So, it's good na medyo konti na yung space from above. And then, standard microwave, stovetop, and oven. Pero para siyang double oven dito. You know. Tapos may mababa pa. Diyan. Then, mahaba all the way to the end yung counter. Okay, maraming storage sa baba. So, hindi ka lugi. Tsaka dito, baba, dyan. More storage, dishwasher. Malaki yung sink. Single sink, open. Upgraded faucet. Tapos may mga pendant light pa sila. 4 dyan. Which makes it more luxurious. So yan, makikita mo sa living room. May 3 bintana, big windows para natural light makakapunta dyan, makakapasok. And then yung customized electric fireplace nandyan. And with their, I think it's like an 80 inch na TV. Parang kasyang-kasya. Tapos ito yung sliding door nila. I think this is 8x8 or 8x6. Okay, so papunta yan sa veranda sa likod. Okay, facing the backyard. So yan. Which is nice. Ikot tayo dyan, kitchen. And then on the right side, yung stairs papunta sa 3rd floor for the rooms. Tapos dito tayo, pag akyat natin sa hagdanan dito, we're gonna turn just a little bit right. Pero yung straight dito, ito yung powder room sa 2nd floor. Okay, so yung toilet, standard pedestal sink, the oval mirrors, tapos may bintana dyan na mataas, facing the side of the house. That's good. Tapos katabi dyan, ito yung laundry. Dyan yung laundry. Big size laundry. Tapos may extra cabinets that you could add para storage, at saka may counter na may cabinet sa baba. Pwede mong idagdag yan. Tapos dito rin yung cable management, you know, lagay mo yung mga modem or router dyan. So dyan nila inaayos yung cable system management. So paglabas natin dito from the stairs, from here, so sa right side, para siyang may extra room. You know, pwede mong gawing office, or pwede mong gawing another music room, or ano, depende kung anong gusto mo. So it's pretty nice. Maganda yung lighting niya. And then may sliding door din siya. Ito, I think that's 8x8 na sliding door. You know, mas maganda kasi makakapasok maraming light. Papunta sa veranda sa 2nd floor sa labas. So which is nice. You know, pwede kang, kung maganda yung panahon, pwede kang lumabas dyan. Chika-chika. Okay? You can see the views out there. So yan, punta tayo sa 3rd floor where the rooms are. So, remind ko lang kayo mga kabayan, mga amigo at saka amiga, you know, kung pupunta kayo ng mga new builds dito sa Henderson or Las Vegas, you know, it's best na dalhin nyo yung realtor nyo gaya ko, so somebody could represent you aside from the salesperson, kasi yung salesperson sa builder, they work for the builder, so they want to make more money for the builder. Tapos, you know, ganun talaga. You want to make more money kung sino yung pinagtatrabuhan mo. So kung may plano kang bumisita, ng mga bagong bahay, let me know so para samahan kita from start to closing. Okay? So parang may space dito na para siyang vaulted from the front door. Okay? Tapos dyan, may additional windows para more natural light makakapasok. And then one more set of stairs. So yung third floor where all the rooms are. So dito tayo sa right. So ito yung kanina, yung mga additional windows, which is nice. So when you turn right, this is the first bedroom sa third floor. Okay, first bedroom sa third floor. Big windows facing the street. Diyan kita yung South Point Hotel at saka yung mga bundok. Nice view. Tapos nandito yung, this is a king size bed. So this is the master bedroom. Okay, tapos may fixture na siya kung gusto nyong lagyan ng diyan sa ceiling ng ceiling fan or lights. And on the left side, entrance, hallways, master bath. On the right side kaagad, yung walk-in shower. Okay. Nice walk-in shower. Tapos may upuan pa dyan. And katapat dyan is yung double sink. Yan. Storage sa baba. And then yung malapad na mirror or salamin. May medicine cabinet pa dyan sa dulo. And as you go further, ito yung walk-in closet, tapos dito yung toilet. So may pintuan dyan, tinanggal lang. And then ito yung walk-in closet, hers and hers na walk-in closet. Okay? Pwede mong dagdagan siguro yung shelving if you need more space or any storage dyan. So dyan. So nauna tayo sa master bedroom. So labas tayo uli. So paglabas natin, when we go straight, we have the other bedrooms. So start tayo sa kaliwa. So pagpasok natin dito, yung kaliwa, ito yung bedroom number 2 sa third floor, including yung master bedroom. Okay? So I think that's like a twin size bed. Yung bintana nakaharap sa gilid ng bahay. And then may maliit siya na closet, which is nice. Good size closet. Okay. And then ang harap dyan, ito yung full bath sa third floor. Full bath. So double sink. Tapos storage sa baba. Double sink dyan. Tapos yung malapad na mirror almost all the way to the shower. Tapos dito sa kabila yung toilet. Dyan yung toilet. And then sa dulo yung combo tub with a shower. It's pretty good size. So yan. So yun yung full bath sa third floor. So kung didiretso tayo dito sa kaliwa, ito yung second bedroom sa third floor. Second bedroom. I think this is a full size bed. It's good. May bintana siya. Kaharap sa backyard. Okay? Ito yung backyard, yung niya sa likod. Tapos may konting closet siya dyan. Walk-in closet. Yan. So ito itsura ulit. Sa third bedroom. Tapos immediately beside may closet or room for the linens. Para tuwalya, unan, kumot, habol, unlan, tuwalya. And then right beside that, katabi lang, ito yung 4th bedroom, the last bedroom. So yan, this is, I think that's a queen size bed. So malaki rin siya. Tapos yung ulo ng kalabaw. Kalabaw ba yan? And then, yung bed nandito. And then yung window, nakaharap yan sa backyard, okay? Tapos may closet rin siya dyan. It's pretty nice. So, yan. This is the 4th bedroom. So, mga kabayan, yun na yung huli. The 4th bedroom and the 3rd floor. So, kung may mga tanong kayo dyan, mga comments or mga concerns or anything about incentives and stuff, comment lang kayo sa baba or mas mabuti, tawag or text sa akin sa cellphone ko. Or you can email me anytime and then subukan kong sagutin sa lalong mas madaling panahon. So, God bless everyone. Kita tayo ulit sa next tour. And then, magdasal palagi at saka ingat. Sige, salamat. Kung ito na ang hinahanap mong bahay o gusto mo ng mas maliit, mas malaki o nasa ibang lokasyon, kahit resale man yan, masaya akong tumulong sa'yo. Call, text, email o mag-comment ka lang sa baba kung may tanong ka. Nandito lang ako, ready to help. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood.